Hi everybody, it's Mrs. BG here at MODELZONA. We have amazing amount of cars on the tables today, so I'm going to do some filming for you. Hope you guys enjoy. It is an insane turnout, so that's really good. Great to see everybody, and get some great video out to you here soon. Some great junior preteen here. I have to rub elbows with Susan over here. Get some video for you guys. You would not believe the cars on the tables here at MODELZONA today. It is insane. We just came off of Acme weekend last week, and I gotta tell you, I am like impressed with the build quality and the number of cars that showed up today. Like, it is just nuts. Here we got Susan's car. Beautiful paint job, great engine detailing, just some fantastic builds. This is the factory stock production 120 to 125th scale. New Bronco, it's a great car. This is a fun build. The giraffe car, that's pretty awesome. So some beautiful paint jobs, beautiful builds, engine detailing. I mean, people went all out. We even have somebody that came all the way from Alaska to attend the show. So that is pretty fantastic. I hope you guys enjoy. All right, we got our large scale builds. We saw this guy in Vegas. This is a really cool build. Very neat. Lots of detailing, lots of fun stuff there. See that? Arizona Hangman. All right, this is kind of a fun as well. This Mercer, like that. Got a little Isetta. It's kind of funny when the Isetta on large scale looks like a real size car, because those puppies are tiny. One of my favorite little micro cars. Let's see here. Just some amazing builds. Oh, this guy is really nice. In there and see some of that detailing. It's a very nice build. Now we got the street rods and street machines. Again, just amazing builds. They had to get some more table space because there's just so much great stuff. This guy is beautiful. The paint jobs, I mean, I just can't tell you guys just how amazing the paint jobs are on the builds. Technology, better quality kits, better tools. I mean, it's just amazing what you guys can do. It's a fun one, nice weathering on that. I like this kit. Brian has one of these, just a fun kit. Great to get to weather things up. This little purple guy is very pretty. Great color. This is a beautiful blue. Nice color on the interior there. Nice shiny red guy. All right. This one's pretty too. Nice engine detailing. And then we've got a really fun flamingo car. Got a friend whose sister-in-law loves flamingos, calls them go-go's. So this is an awesome build. Love it. This is another beautiful paint job. I don't know that the camera does justice to that blue with the pearl, kind of a little bit of color shift going on. It is gorgeous.
For those of you who are enjoying the program and models here this weekend, let's remind you.
All right, we got the street rods and street machines. Beautiful builds.
Hey, Mr. Judge.
It's a great car.
So I finally get some
Another beautiful build. Love this. Great detailing in there. Like I said, some really, really amazing paint jobs. That is gorgeous. I really like this guy. That Corvette is just beautiful. And then the Mustang is pretty nice as well. The paint jobs, I cannot say enough. Shiny, beautiful, amazing paint jobs. Great engine detailing. I do not envy the judges. This is an IPMS show, so all these will actually be judged. Acme was a viewer's choice. It's a little different, but yeah, I mean it's amazing. These builds are just gorgeous. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful workmanship.
Are you in motorcycles?
It's really, really good to see the turnout as well. So awesome to see that the model is alive and thriving, and modeling is just doing awesome. All right, we got the competition straight line. These guys are great. My nephew Jake just showed up. Pretty cool.
What am I gonna judge?
You can't wait to do those?
I do a little filming before I have to go judge sci-fi. That is awesome. Sorry, guys. I'm like drooling today. Just amazing. They had to get more table space, but the layout's actually pretty good. I'm seeing the models well. These guys are neat.
That one's mine.
Are you in the category?
Hi,
I haven't
Luca.
finished it. I don't have a category yet.
Mr. That one's mine.
That's mine.
You saw it
That's
here
raisins.
first. Ah,
Buddy
nice.
from Michigan. Came all
Very
over here.
cool.
Really?
Yeah, I'm gonna introduce you guys. You're gonna like him. He's an old car guy. He used to race back in the 70s and stuff.
Sneaky.
Is he like Fred's age? I think
he's more like
This is
your
a
age.
pretty paint job. The color shifts a little bit there.
These are his models.
Beautiful.
That Fairlane Pro Street.
I like that.
The
Beautiful
55
builds.
is his. He does a lot of crazy stuff.
I
These
mean, it's-
modifieds are his.
It's amazing. I think I picked the perfect time too. I actually
I'm sorry,
can,
I'm in your
walk
video.
around. I believe these are Chucks.
Yeah, that's he just finished that.
Beautiful.
I know, yeah.
Great Henry J's. We got to see one of those in real life. I think it was Savoy Museum in Georgia.
It's almost done.
That's really cool.
I would have had it done, but I was.
Nice diorama there. All right, everybody, we've got the closed circuit competition. There are some really good builds in here. Really fun stuff. This guy's really neat. I got to help judge a little bit of automotive. That was fun. Beautiful Gulf oil colors there. Really nice. Great builds. So much fantastic work, extra detail work. I gotta tell you, man, this is just a great show. Turnout this year is amazing. Neat engine detailing. Great job on the decal work on that. That's a nice one.
The guy came in and he was talking to me about riding around.
Got the mellow yellow. A little tight on the table there. This is so clean and so nice. You guys just don't even know. Really good job. Fun gremlin. Really nice. Very cool. This guy's really nice too. Really neat work. The screen, the muddying up. Nice job. This one's really nice too. Right. I've got management tapping on my shoulder. Mr. BG is a very busy man today. So, all right. All right, we got the commercial vehicles. Really nice fire truck. Great paint jobs. I mean, you guys just really knocked it out of the proverbial park. This is a really good showing this year. So awesome. These guys are cute. There's two of these little guys. They're so fun. Super neat. Here's the other one.
But honestly, he's got
Shiny and just the funnest, cutest little build. Great paint job. I don't know that you can see much in there, but really neat. It's a garbage truck.
So first in this one was this guy. Green truck, right?
I don't think that's a heavy enough.
I wouldn't say. No, I would agree. So between those two,
All right, we got the small scale, all types, 1/26 or smaller. We've seen this guy around a few times. Really cool. This apocalyptic doom buggy is super neat. I really like that. Some great weathering on it. Oh, that's a pretty shiny paint job. Very nice. Police car. Oh, that's a pretty nice race car too. Nice clean build. This guy is pretty cute. Some of these small builds are a little crazy. Very nice. Oh, that's another fun one. And our Red Bull. Alright, we got the motorcycle category. This is an Iceman Collections. Super cute little guy. Chuck did that one. Really nice. Great job. Beautiful bike. Just some beautiful things. Large scale. That guy's kind of fun. This one's also got a fun paint job. Oh, that guy's really kind of fun back there. Nice, beautiful paint job on that. Another fun one. Some really neat builds here. Awesome show today. All right, we got other vehicular subjects. So the fun, unique, crazy builds that don't quite fit in to the other categories. Well, camper is super cute. Scratch built, nice car. Something grandparents might have had. Really nice. Oh, this guy's fun. Lots of great accoutrement on here. A motorcycle on the back. Really neat. And this is a really cute little diorama guy, Laurel and Hardy. Very cool. All right, we'll start off with Linda's favorite, the Celica. Love this car. One of my favorite Japanese muscle cars. Beautiful orange color. I have one of those kits. I want to do it in like a turquoise. But again, I actually have to take time to build something. So it's really nice there. Just some great builds. This is kind of a fun guy. Stretched out hood there. Very neat. Nice shiny purple paint job. Fun color shift. It's a great one there. Nice paint job. This one has some real interesting subtle detailing. Hopefully you can see that. Very neat. This guy's kind of fun. Shiny paint job. Very nice. All right. And that, I think, is it for the automotive.